Let's learn how to create horizontal scrolling text in Premiere Pro. First, use the text tool to type your text on the screen. After that, select the text layer in the timeline and go to the Effect Controls panel. Under the Position section, click on the stopwatch icon next to Position to create a keyframe. Move the text completely off-screen to the left or right, depending on the direction you want the text to scroll. Now, move the playhead forward in the timeline, and then drag the text in the opposite direction so it moves across the screen. This will automatically create another keyframe. For a smoother effect, right-click on the keyframes, select Temporal Interpolation, and choose Ease In or Ease Out. That's it. You've created horizontal scrolling text in Premiere Pro. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more.